Goldcourt there, and he was told, sit down, you sit down. You know what I mean? But every speaker, there was 4 of them, every speaker mentioned the best of both worlds, because that's their strapline.
That is, aye.
Joanne Lamont has obviously got a fixation with Alex Salmond, because she mentioned his name about half a dozen times, you know. But all it was a rehash of the same
old stuff.
Same junk. Nothing new.
So did they answer the guy's question about Dryden?
Well, just at that point, I was coming out. Ruth Davison said she was proud to have served in the forces and all that.
What did she do in the forces?
I don't know, but I wouldn't like to call
latrines.
Did you hear the positive case for the union?
No, all I heard them was slagging Alex Salmond.
See, that's just negativity.
I've got them all.
So what was the tournament? It just shows you how good they is then, they're fair.
And what they were trying to do, there was a young girl down there, or up there, trying to get everybody to move to the same bit of the auditorium.
Make it look busy.
Aye. But I counted the empty seats.
And they wouldn't let us in.
100 empty seats that I could count.
We couldn't get any of them.
I've got a photograph on my phone of a couple of rows of empty seats.
Fantastic.
Further down there was obviously I couldn't count every empty seat.
No.
But there was a minimum of 100. I don't know the capacity of the hall. Whatever the capacity it was, take off
minus 100,
and that was their attendance.
We think just in $6,000 it's cost them for to hire out the venue.
Was it indeed?
Yes, indeed.
When I went in, there's lots of people who hadn't turned up, but they might have come later. But it's the first public meeting or thing that's been advertised as a public meeting.
Yes.
You've had to go through this rigmarole.
Yes, and they told me at the counter that it was oversubscribed.
So that's how we couldn't get in. There were 3 of us couldn't get in.
There are 100 empty seats in there.
Thanks very much, my friend. That's very good of you. Thank you. Take care.